I think the concept in PharmApp is a very efficient way of networking. If a colleague wants to get in touch with me, or if I want to get in contact with someone, a participant of PharmApp, I can use the personal assistant, and then they can connect us. And I think this makes best use of the time we have together.
Liked the organization, was very professional. I felt very good taken care of. And what I really liked is the opportunity to meet people from other companies or suppliers and to discover that sometimes you think you're alone with your problem or with what you do, and then you discover that you meet a bunch of people with whom you can exchange what solutions they found for the problems.
I honestly must say, from the first day I came here, everything was very well structured. You have this very friendly atmosphere from VGS, where you really get a lot of support from the beginning. You're supported with all the networking meetings, with the VIP meetings, as well as all the quite interesting sessions which are provided from all the different stakeholders from the industry. So from my perspective, a very well organized event. Thank you.
Very fruitful discussions, and the good thing is that we come very short, exactly to the point, with high information level, and this is helpful to change, or let's say to adapt our future services.
Before coming, I thought that really, all the companies are working in their own without sharing any information, and here I can see that a lot of different companies, a lot of people, experts are combining their knowledges to build something new. For that, I think PharmApp is really important to help people to connect together.